Everyone, and welcome to yet another awesome video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make over $1,000 writing professional emails using ChatGPT. So let's get right in. I'm going to drop some resources in the description of this video. You can get it. It's a ChatGPT prompt compilation. It's going to help you to use ChatGPT better. Then also just above here, I'll leave a link either here or here. I'm going to leave a link to a video where you learn how to use ChatGPT. Like, if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, this video is going to help you. It's going to pop up over here. And also, I'll leave that in the description of this video. Basically, once you sign up on ChatGPT, you can start using it immediately. There's a free version, and also there's an upgrade version. That's ChatGPT Plus, but the free version functions just as well. So the website you're going to use to get these particular gigs is called Upwork. Upwork, very popular website, All you have to do is sign up. It's also free. And once you sign up, you can get to sign up, create your account, and then once you create your account, you can use your account to pitch to people your services, your writing services, and so on. Email writing is something that the learning curve isn't that long, so you'll be able to get started almost immediately. So once you come to Upwork, for example, come over to the search area. Now in the search area, just type email writing and you click on search. Okay, you're going to see all these jobs that you could apply for. Now, all these jobs are good. Majority of them are actually legit. You can see here we have entry level. We have 426 active jobs. Here we have intermediate. We have 2,150. Then here we have that's expert level. We have 1,101. So we have all this. These are filters that you could use to sift out jobs that you want. But for a beginner, you just come straight up here and you check. Now, there's a simple hack for you to apply for jobs and get them. Now, you don't just apply for any job you see over here. Then you're also going to need something Upwork calls Connects. Connect is like tokens that you use to apply for jobs. So you can see here the Connects to apply is 6 Connects. So once you open a new account, you're going to have 80 Connects that you could use to apply for as many jobs as possible. So you have all these jobs over here. Just ensure you read all these briefs that the clients drop. So you see here, it said they're looking for an email campaign consultant. Yes. And the connects to apply is just 8 connects. So you see, now ensure there are some things you check out. So you can see here, ensure that the payment is verified. This button appearing means the person dropping this job already has used Upwork to a certain level, or the person has an account on Upwork that is active and it's verified, and also the person's money, maybe the person has linked a card, or the person has deposited money on Upwork's escrow service. Now, so you're guaranteed of getting payments. That's why you ensure you only apply for jobs that have this verification sign for your own safety. So you just check out, there's so many jobs over here that you could apply for. You can see this one has no verification sign. I'll advise you not to apply for these jobs, because sometimes it's also there are scammers. There are people use it for various reasons, So you can see over here, then you check for, let's say for example, this one we have is looking for an expert though, not a beginner. The estimated time is 1 to 3 months, less than 30 hours per week. This person is a continuous job. So most likely, once you're selected for this job, it's going to last for a longer period. It's not just one-off thing. So that's the advantage of using Upwork. Just check over here and you see, let's say you've seen jobs now, very fantastic jobs, you want to apply for them. You just come over to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is going to help you do the writing. I created a simple scenario. Let's say, for example, the client commissions you to write an email. Now, an email that will be sent to their audience. Now, I said, for example, let's meet the experts live AMA session this Thursday. Once you come to ChatGPT, what you're going to do is you include the subject line, that's this. Then you include the body of text I want. So it says, you just copy this, come over to ChatGPT and you just paste it over here. Once you've done this and everything, the spellings are all correct and all, you now click on go. Now, ChatGPT has given you the response that you're looking for. So it says it has written you a very awesome email that you can copy this, edit, ensure you edit. Very importantly, ensure you edit your whatever prompts, whatever outputs you get from ChatGPT. Ensure you edit it. You can use Grammarly to edit this further. You just copy all this, so you ensure there are no grammatical errors, or if you have any spelling errors and so on and so forth. So you have this in Grammarly, so you can edit this further. You see, it gives you suggestions where you can edit further. You can ensure you read, and also you add your own touch, customize it in such a way that it sounds even better. And once you're done with this, you submit it to the clients, and you're done with the tax, and you get paid. As simple as that. So you can see here for this particular tax, the person is you're going to work for 30 hours per week. The amount you're going to earn depends on either your negotiation with the client or if the person is going to stick to your hourly rates. Now on Upwork, you can set up your hourly rates. So let's say your hourly rate on Upwork that you've set up is $20. So let's say $20 per hour, and you're going to work 30 hours per week. So you have times. So already you're going to make $600 every week. That's the amount you're going to make if you're just writing emails for this particular brand. So you're going to make $600 per week, and if it continues consistently, you're going to work for 3 months. You're going to work for 1 to 3 months. So let's say the first month, let's see how much you're going to earn for the first month multiplied by 4. So you're earning $2,400. That's $2,400 every single month. It's super crazy, and it's an income stream that you can get started today. So that's it, guys, on this video. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and God bless.